This 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 two-door is an exciting find for any classic car enthusiast, priced at $17,000. Located in Hutchinson, Kansas, this vintage beauty is in excellent condition with just 1,000 miles on the odometer. The car has undergone a thorough restoration, including a subframe from a 1976 Ranchero. Under the hood, it boasts a powerful 351 Cleveland engine paired with a C6 transmission, offering smooth driving. The car also features front disc brakes and rear drum brakes, providing reliable stopping power. For comfort and style, it comes with vintage air and new chrome detailing, while the paint and interior are stunning. This 1958 Ford Fairlane 500 is a must-have for collectors, especially with a clean title in hand. If you're looking for a vintage car that's already gone through a detailed restoration, this one is for you. Check out the link in the description for more photos and further details. Check out this classic 1959 Ford Fairlane Skyliner for sale in Long Beach, California, priced at $13,000. With only 19,250 miles on the odometer, this vintage beauty comes with a clean title, making it an excellent find for collectors and enthusiasts alike. It features a gas engine and an automatic transmission, perfect for a smooth drive. The car is in pretty good shape, but could use a little work, making it a great restoration project for anyone passionate about classic cars. Whether you're looking to own a piece of automotive history or invest in a rare vintage vehicle, this Ford Fairlane Skyliner is an opportunity you don't want to miss. Local pickup only, so make sure to check it out in person. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for more details. Check out this remarkable 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible, priced at $19,500 in East Lake, Ohio. With only 80,000 original miles on the clock, this classic beauty features a powerful 302 V8 engine, coupled with an automatic transmission, making it a joy to drive. It boasts a clean title and has been meticulously maintained, ensuring everything is in working condition. The car has a newer power top and tires, and its solid undercarriage, along with a clean body, underline its excellent driver quality. This vintage Ford is a fantastic choice for classic car enthusiasts looking for a reliable vehicle or a restoration project. Don't miss your chance to own this classic. For more details and photos, check out the links in the description. Discover this classic 1962 Ford Fairlane 500 Sports Coupe, available for $14,000 in Great Bend, Pennsylvania. This beautifully preserved vintage car features an excellent condition, with only 79,500 miles on the odometer. Powered by its original 221 V-8 engine, paired with a smooth 2-speed automatic transmission, it remains a dependable and fun driver. The car is a true California survivor, never restored or altered, with a pristine white paint finish and original wheels and hubcaps. It includes a clean title, RWD drive, and gas fuel type, making it perfect for collectors or enthusiasts looking to restore or enjoy a piece of automotive history. The seller highlights lots of recent work, new parts, and a custom dual exhaust for enhanced performance and reliability. This coupe is a rare find with its original features, and it's ready to be driven or restored to its former glory. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more detailed photos and information about this vintage gem that offers both nostalgia and potential. Check out this 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, a classic beauty with a 260 CI V8 engine and automatic transmission. Priced at $11,500, this well-maintained coupe has just 14,000 miles on the odometer, though it's likely rolled over. The car runs smoothly with a clean title and is in excellent condition, aside from minor issues like a non-working gas gauge and small cracks on the vinyl dash cover. The body, including the sheet metal and chrome bumpers, is in great shape, and the car drives wonderfully both in town and on the highway. Recent upgrades include a new carburetor, radiator, water pump, belts, hoses, shocks, tires, brakes, and a newly serviced transmission. The registration is valid through April 2026, making it a perfect vintage car for collectors or those looking to restore a classic. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. Check out the link in the description for more details and photos. Presenting a brilliant 1964 Ford Fairlane, this classic beauty is available for $14,100 in Loon Lake, WA. This exceptional vehicle boasts only 84,060 original miles, ensuring its reliability on the road. With a clean title status and an automatic transmission, it offers easy handling for daily driving. The Fairlane features its original two-tone blue interior, capturing the essence of vintage style. Under the hood, it houses a robust 260 volts 8 engine, blending performance with iconic Ford history. Owners and enthusiasts alike will appreciate its excellent condition and strong appeal at car shows, where it attracts attention from all ages. The unique detail of having a manual foot pump for the windshield washer fluid adds to its charm. Whether you're looking to invest in a classic for restoration or simply to enjoy a piece of automotive history, this Fairlane is a noteworthy choice. Don't miss out. Check the link in the description for more details. Up for sale is this 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 in excellent condition, priced at $11,900. This classic beauty has 113,000 miles and boasts a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It's a rear-wheel drive sedan with an automatic transmission and clean title status. The car comes with power steering and Magnum 500 wheels, along with like-new tires. The solid body, floors, and frame show off its well-maintained state, a fantastic option for anyone looking to restore or enjoy a vintage vehicle. Perfect for collectors or classic car enthusiasts looking for a reliable and stylish ride. Don't miss out on this gem. Check the link in the description for more details. For sale is this classic 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible in great condition with a rare Aztec aqua color and a white convertible top. This classic cruiser features a rebuilt 351 Windsor V8 engine with an Edelbrock 1906 4-barrel carb, offering a smooth and reliable ride. The car has a clean title, 140,000 miles on the odometer, and is equipped with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. Recently maintained with new springs, brake components, rebuilt power steering, and fresh tires, it's perfect for cruising. It's one of only 2045 built, making it a unique vintage find. The car has always been garaged and covered, ensuring it remains in good shape. Ideal for collectors or those looking to restore a vintage classic, this Fairlane is a must-see, serious buyers only. For more information and photos, check out the links in the description. Discover this classic 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 Coupe now available in Aliso Viejo for $14,000. Powered by a robust 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, This vintage car features a sleek gray paint job, a clean title, and a solid history with 150,000 miles. The condition is good, and it's perfect for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a rust-free, running vehicle ready for restoration or daily cruising. It boasts a new leather interior, dashboard, carpet, and fresh paint, complemented by nice wheels and BF Goodrich tires. While it runs well, it needs front suspension bushings and shocks, making it a great project with classic appeal. Whether you're a collector searching for a vintage gem or a lover of American muscle, this Ford Fairlane offers great value and style. Don't miss out. Check the description for the link with more photos and details. Let's talk about an appealing vintage find, the 1962 Ford Fairlane 500, available now for $13,500 in Hesperia, California. This classic sedan sports a sleek custom paint job, a solid condition, and packs an 8-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a desirable choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a project or a showpiece. It has driven about 99,999 miles with a clean title, ready for restoration or upgrades. The interior remains in very good condition, and it features unique lowered suspension similar to a lowrider style, along with attractive wheels and white wall tires that add to its vintage charm. The seller has also swapped the powertrain from a 1989 Mustang, including a 302 engine and 4-speed automatic, which enhances its performance appeal. Whether you're into restoring classic American cars or just want a standout vintage sedan to cruise around, this Fairlane offers lots of potential. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details and to see this beauty for yourself.